This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Wisconsin's getting a lot of snow on Wednesday, December the 19th, 2012 until December the 20th, 2012. Wisconsin's getting 12 inches of snow or over. It's going to be 30 plus centimeters of snow to hit Wisconsin. It's supposed to be a lot of snow and strong winds. It's supposed to be very stormy conditions in Wisconsin. People in Wisconsin, be prepared. It's supposed to be a lot of snow and strong winds and whiteout conditions and zero visibility and all kinds of streets will be snowed in. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks ready. The power will go out in Wisconsin. Supposed to be a very powerful storm to hit Wisconsin. And there will be 20 plus inches of snow locally. People in Wisconsin, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. When the power will go out, have your flashlights ready. Have your candles ready. Have your canned foods ready. Have your extra batteries and crank up radio ready. And crank up flashlights ready. Have your iPods, iPads charged and everything. People in Wisconsin, order your pizzas, order your Chinese food. Don't wait till last minute. Don't go driving your car to the blizzard or get in a car accident because the storm's going to be very powerful in Wisconsin. Because it's going to be very stormy conditions with very strong winds and heavy snow. Best of luck to you. People in Wisconsin, be prepared for a huge blizzard. Good luck.